Could a robot really handle the complex work we once thought only humans could do? Boston Dynamics just took us one step closer with Atlas, a robot that's now performing tasks beyond basic automation. But how close are we really to seeing robots take on skilled human roles, and what could that mean for the future of work? Stick around to find out. It might be closer than you think. Boston Dynamics recently released footage of Atlas autonomously moving engine covers around a workspace. But this isn't just about moving parts, it's about how Atlas does it. The robot was given instructions to transfer parts between specific locations, but beyond that, it was on its own. Atlas relied on its own vision system, powered by machine learning, to recognize different bins and objects. It even used a specially designed grasping technique to handle parts securely, constantly recalculating and adjusting as it moved. So, while this all sounds impressive, what does it really mean? Essentially, Atlas isn't following a strict set of pre-programmed steps. It's making decisions in real time, adapting to obstacles or unexpected movements in its environment. Think of it like when you're carrying a heavy box and suddenly someone steps in your way. You adjust without really thinking. For Atlas, that same adaptability is key, but it comes from sensors and algorithms rather than instincts. Now, let's consider the big question. Could Atlas, or robots like it, actually take on the kinds of skilled jobs that humans do? It's an exciting and slightly intimidating thought. Right now, what we're seeing from Atlas is definitely impressive. It's handling complex, precise movements autonomously, which is a huge leap forward in robotics. But it's also clear that we're still in the early stages. Atlas can maneuver in a controlled environment, but there's still a long way to go before robots are working alongside people in unpredictable settings. Another thing to consider is that Atlas is designed to do things that humans can't easily replicate. Its agility and range of motion, such as rotating its torso while carrying objects, actually surpass what human workers could comfortably do in repetitive, high-strain tasks. And it's not just Atlas making strides. Boston Dynamics robot Stretch is already in action at Arvado's logistics facility in Louisville, Kentucky, where it autonomously unloads boxes from trailers, helping employees avoid repetitive lifting and focus on other tasks. By handling the heavy, loose-loaded cartons stacked floor to ceiling, Stretch plays a key role in streamlining warehouse operations, especially during peak seasons when quick turnaround times are essential. So, while Atlas might not replace human workers entirely anytime soon, it could supplement them in environments where repetitive tasks need to be done safely and efficiently. So, where does this leave us? Atlas shows us a glimpse of what the future could look like. Robots capable of complex physical tasks that adapt to changes around them. It's an exciting time in robotics, and as this technology advances, we could see robots in places we'd never imagined. But for now, robots like Atlas are just tools, not replacements. They offer new possibilities for support in high-skill jobs, but the finesse and adaptability of human workers are still unmatched. As always, let me know what you think in the comments. Could you imagine working side by side with a robot like Atlas?